Yeah, I'm dripping junket. How are you doing, everyone? Ralph here, Ralph's Reviews, Team Knucklehead. Excuse me. We're going to do a quick one. Now, there's been a huge upsurge, that's a good word, isn't it? Huge upsurge in the popularity of stacked tube mods, yeah? Which is series vaping, but it's one battery on top of the other instead of one up, one down in a box mod. So you end up with a fucking big, long fucking tube. Now, for those of you that don't know, this is not some kind of fucking recorder, some fucking flute, or a fucking Barry Trotter fucking wand. It's a stacked fucking mech tube. Yeah, it's got 2 batteries in, so we're running series builds. Now, this video is not about series vaping. It's about how to set up this particular stacked mod. But as a general rule of thumb, what I say is when it comes to resistance, if you've got twice the batteries in series, you want 4 times your daily resistance. So if you normally run about 0.1 of an ohm, you're going to want 0.4-ish. And that'll give you kind of the same sort of vape that you're used to on a single tube. But obviously, you've got much bigger coils, so you get a lot more cloud. And you've got twice the batteries, so you get a lot more battery life. Yeah, if that floats your boat. Fucking stacked series. Tubes are certainly not to be sniffed at. Let me have a quick drip. So, I know a lot of people struggle with the Broadside. We're setting it up with a single cell, and they might look at the stacks and think, I'm never going to fucking do that. I can't fucking make it work properly with one fucking battery. How the fuck am I going to do it with 2 fucking batteries? I'll show you. I'll show you in a minute. Hold on. It's really, really fucking simple. The only problem I've thought about as I've fucking sat down to do this is that the fucking thing's that big. I'm not going to get it in close up, so I'm going to do it all like this. So bear with. Right, what have we got? Basically, we've got, crack it open. We've got your standard fucking Broadside. So we've got 510 non-hybrid top cap. It's just like your regular mod. It's off the regular fucking mod. We've got a single battery tube, just like off the regular mod, and it's got the little fucking tapered bit in there for your switch. So there you go, just like a regular mod, minus the switch. Yeah. And then you've got another fucker, just like the regular mod, only this one's got the fucking switch. So if I take that off, there's your clutch. Take it out. They're both exactly the fucking same. You can put that one on there, that one on there. Don't fucking matter. How do we set it up then, Ralph? Well, it's fucking simple. We get our non-hybrid 510 that I'm struggling to focus on. There. See that little knurly nut? When our chosen atomizer is screwed on, we wind this out. And it's a left-hand thread. So you turn it clockwise until you've got a slight little gap that it's not picking up very well between the nut and the insulator underneath it, so that you know that centre pin's touching your battery. Slight little gap. Clockwise, comes out, slight little gap. Put your battery in. Nipples up. Everybody? Wind the top down, right? If there's a gap like that, then we're going to wind that contact out a little bit. So I'll probably get with my thumbnail, yeah? Wind that out, screw that down, check for rattle, little bit. So all we're going to do is now wind that back in until it touches the battery. No rattle, piece of piss. That's that bit done. That's just like you would with the single tube Broadside. At this point, you'd fit your fucking clutch, you'd fit your fucking button, you'd vape away, and jobs are good. We're gonna have the second tube, so it's exactly the fucking same, only you ain't got the top bit. So battery in, nipples up, girls. Screw it on. Is there a gap? No. Is there any rattle? Yeah, a little bit. Screw that in, just until it touches. No rattle. Clutch on. Button on. Press and go. Jobs are good, and couldn't be easier, could it? So when you come to change your battery, you're going to take them apart, take your batteries out, just like this. Yeah, get your bits back together, new battery in, nipples up. Check that you've still got a wee little gap underneath that contact. There, look. So you know that it's touching your 510. Tighten that cap on. Is there a gap? Yeah. Wind that out a little bit. If it's not too tight. Is there a gap? No. Is there any rattle? No. This one in. Tighten it up. Is there a gap? No. Is there any rattle? Maybe a little bit. Let's see if it fires. Nothing wrong with that. How easy is that fucker? So there you go. That's the stacked extension for the Broadside mod. Easy peasy. Squeeze the lemons. Thank you very much. Easy, isn't it? Piece of piss. And you can enjoy Harry Potter style fucking flute playing, massive great fucking wand, stacked fucking make mod. Clouds for days. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again real soon. Big love everyone, and remember people, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. Which you choose, yeah? Big love. I'll see you all again soon.